Hi, I'm Kelly Smith, Senior Manager of Technical Engagement with the Hands-On Labs program.
I'm David DeEntremont, Senior Content Architect with the Hands-On Labs program.
The Hands-On Labs is a very well-loved, very well-known program within VMware. We are a fully operational live environment built using VMware products that is a great resource for our users to get their hands on our solutions and test them out. What are some other use cases, Dave?
Well, obviously customers are the big use case that everybody thinks about first with Hands-On Labs, and they're fantastic for that. POC avoidance, being able to see our products actually work in an environment, because it's so difficult to set up all the other things it has to connect into to get an environment functional to really see it work.
The Hands-On Labs program is completely staffed by volunteers. These are VMware employees who dedicate hours, hundreds of hours of their time to put these labs together. Tell us a little bit more about the volunteers, Dave.
Right, well, these volunteers, they have their normal day job where they're spending time internally at VMware, they're in front of customers all day, but they're bringing that knowledge and that enthusiasm into the Hands-On Labs program. So they're taking time in their evenings and their weekends through the year, working on building these environments, testing them, writing manuals, proofing manuals, testing other people's labs, and then eventually some coming to the show even and spend their time here at the show with customers, expert-led workshops, sitting right beside them answering questions. The value is huge, but there's no question that there is a lot of time and energy that goes into building these labs. We appreciate our volunteers, and they're absolutely critical to us building these labs.
And you talked a little bit about the show. We're actually here at Explore right now. This is where most people know us from. The Hands-On Labs room is the high energy place to go and take some labs and take some workshops, but they're not the only events we do throughout the year. We do smaller events in person and online, and we actually have a self-serve process where anyone in the world can sign up and reserve some labs to have for their own workshop or their own event. And we completely self-serve online. We're there to help facilitate the usage of our labs in any way we possibly can.
So Hands-On Labs request is something that is used by a few customers today, but we're trying to make sure that others know that they can duplicate this at their environments.
We hope you'll take advantage of these resources that the team spends so much time, energy, and love putting together.
And if you'd like your product or solution to be part of the Hands-On Labs story, come and see us.